Hello everyone and welcome to all of you on our channel, that is EduLux Rank Up Classes. Anytime, anywhere. Do you know the meaning of this? Because we are giving the lot of material for the students, they can use them to learn the things anytime, anywhere, because we have recorded lectures, we have past live classes, we have live session. So dear students, this is not only a single channel, a simple channel. This channel complete fulfill the needs of the child. So dear students and dear parents, welcome back and welcome to all of you on our channel, that is EduLux Rank Up Classes. So as you know, this is the slide you can see on your screen about us. This slide contain the lot of the informations that we provide you through our channel. So EduLux Rank Up Classes is an online platform impart with the best study material. We also provide you the study material and videos. Not only these, if anyone wanted to ask, sir, we also want to read from offline material, we have package, we have offline study package that is formulated and produced by our best faculties. So I hope students, if you read them, you really feel that you are different from the other childs that are using the different reference books. So now come on the next slide. Our main motto, what we are offering you. So this is the slide that provide you the detail of the courses and the details which we are giving you. In 9th, 10th, we are basically on, this is the main stem of all the students, because through these classes they can increase their energy, they increase their knowledge, they sharp their knowledge. So from 9th and 10th, we are giving them the education like we are offering them to teach 9th and 11th, 12th classes study material. From medical students, this is the best platform because we have faculties from IIT and Kota. They have a lot of experience, and many students of these teachers are now MBBS or doing their course, pursuing their course. And for the IIT main, JEE Advanced, and for CBSE board, for their for their state board, we are giving them education. Now come on the next. And yes, the main features of our online classes, we have well designed study material, we have qualified teacher, faculties, and we have study material. And most interesting point, dear parents and students, we have DPPs option. What are the meaning of DPPs? Daily practice paper. Means, you know, we have only 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes during the class, and we wanted to give you a lot of the information. Then what we do, if we wanted to take extra time, then we have a option, that is DPP, daily practice paper. So through Telegram app, dear students and parents, we are sending them daily DPP through which they can prepare, they can do smart work. And also if they face some problem during the DPP, solving the DPP, on the next class they can take their doubts. And if they really curious to know the answer of that questions, we have one-to-one doubt options also. So I hope all these things definitely help you. Now come on the next, silent features, one-to-one doubt class, one-to-one doubt chat, and consistent faculties, highly qualified and experienced faculties, PTM facilities also there. Do you know, in the normally schools, PTM always take place 1 to 1.5 months or 2 months later, but through our channel, parents can contact us anytime, anywhere, anytime. This is the main way. Any parents can analyze the way and analyze the level of their child anytime. And one interesting thing, dear students, on every Sunday we are conducting test. So through that test you can check your level, you are on what level, or you are on what level. Also by giving the every Sunday test, you can check your knowledge, you can check your level. And we are offering the 6 days classes. Means only Sunday is the off, and that is only also the working day, because you are giving the test. So 6 days classes are there, best quality without compromising with cost. Yes, this is the main point. Almost all parents and teachers thinking about what is the cost of the course. So dear parents and students, we are offering on the minimum cost and lot of the informations through our channel. Now come on the next point. Yes, these are the contact informations through that you can contact us. This is our website, and we have another video through which you can analyze how to reach our website, and you can also find us on YouTube channel, and you can check the qualities and the knowledge of our teachers. And if you have any doubt, you can contact us through these number. And we are also offering few days free online classes, and after that you can join us definitely. I'm sure you will definitely join us. So thank you so much, dear students and parents. Thank you so much. Thank you.